So today's video is so exciting. I'm trying so hard to contain my excitement, and that's because today's video is an unboxing of the Kylie birthday bundle, and I am so excited to bring you guys. And you guys make sure to stick around because there may or may not be a giveaway. So let's get right into the unboxing. And let me tell you guys how hard it was for me to not open this box. It's been in my desk, in my room desk, for like 2 weeks or more, I think. Just sealed. You guys can see the tape is still. It's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do a genuine reaction of me unboxing the box. And I just wanted to show you guys my actual reaction. So make sure you stick around because, like I said, there may or may not be a giveaway. So let's get right into the video. I feel a little bit like Goldilocks right now. So let's go ahead and open this beautiful box. It's nothing much to it. It's just black, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is exciting. And the first thing you see when you open it is, I've seen this before, is the Kylie is gold instead of silver. And then we have the usual, the little cushion things. And we have her card, Kylie in gold. How beautiful. It's a cute little card. So now this is just the little receipt thing. And here it is, guys. Is this bag. String bag, and how beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And here is the makeup bag, and I think it's beautiful. I love it. In person it's way cuter. So let's go ahead and open it up. So first thing I'm gonna pull out of here, my favorite. I was so excited for this one because this is Leo. This one's gorgeous. I love the packaging. The packaging gives me life. I love gold. I'm crazy about gold. It's just beautiful, you know, the usual. And you guys, this stuff, she announced it, is infused in real gold. And if you look in her ingredients, it says gold. It's one of the ingredients, gold. So that's amazing. So let's go ahead and this baby up. I will insert videos of me trying it on my lip so you guys can see a swatch on my lip. So let's start off with swatching the lip pencil, the liner. So I'm gonna just swatch it on my arm right here on the side. I'm loving the tube. I love the gold effect, the gold details. I'm just in love with this. Let's go ahead and swatch this out, and I will insert clips of the liner and everything that I'm swatching on my arm so you guys can see it, as well as on my lips. So let's go on to the next thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull something out at random. Let's go with this one. Which one's this one? This is the gloss, the edition gloss, and let's see. And again, guys, the packaging to die for. I didn't swatch this one out. This is the gloss, by the way. And Poppin' gloss. This is Poppin'. That's how shiny it is. And let's see. Yeah, I love this. This is really pretty. I can really see myself using this with something under it, and just, you know. Let's go on to the next one, guys. So the next one I grabbed this one. Sorry, I'm just pulling out things at random, by the way. So this is Lord, the beautiful color. Let's go ahead and put that in our arms. And I'm going to show you guys a clip of it. right now. How gorgeous. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So far I'm loving everything. I'm really excited. I just love the smell of these. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I can't describe it. Like sweet cupcakes. Let's go ahead and pull out the next thing. So this one is the cream shadow. This is in rose gold. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited for this one. The beautiful packaging is so gorgeous. And let's go ahead and swatch on the side of my arm. We'll also insert a clip for you guys. So I am loving this. I'm in love. I'm in love. It's like a very creamy texture. And it's gorgeous. I'm loving it. Guys, I definitely gonna use this a lot. I'm so excited. And let's go on to the next one. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other cream shadow in copper. And guys, I'm excited for this one too. You guys should totally keep count of how many times I've said excited in this video. I'm just so excited. You guys don't understand. This video, I've been waiting like 2 or 3 weeks to film this video. So this color is beautiful too. Let me see the swatch. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my arm. Wow, look at that. It's just to die for, guys. I'm just loving it. I can't wait to put this stuff in my eyes. I can't wait, guys. So let's go ahead and move on to the next item. And the next item is the Kai Liner. And the Kai Liner is a dark bronze color. And packaging, like I said, gorgeous. I'm in love with it. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this brings a cute little thing filled up with the bronze color. It also brings the liner. I love how it says Kylie Kylie on the top, and a brush, cute little brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the liner. It's a beautiful shimmery color. So let's go ahead and grab the very last thing, which is the matte liquid lipstick, the mini mattes. Oh yeah, I see what a lot of people were saying with how tiny they are. They're smaller than I thought. But it's okay because they're so adorable, guys. I'm just in love. These are beautiful. Look at this. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatches to each and every one of these and show you guys clips and stuff like that, and me trying each and every one of these. So by the way, these are the colors Expose, Dolce K, Coco K, Candy K, and Kristen. And I believe she did insert Leo in there too. She did. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip in right now. Okay guys, so that was all of her products, and let me tell you, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to get it on my face, on my lips, everything. And I'm so excited to show you guys what I'm giving away right now. So let's get right into that. So here it is. This is the box that I have your stuff, your giveaway stuff, the stuff that I'm giving away to you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is for you guys. So I am giving away the Leo Lip Kit and the cream shadow in rose gold. And guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see who gets these. By the way, this one is you guys's, and by the way, these are you guys's. I haven't opened them. I'm gonna open it because it's for you guys. These one are mine that I already opened, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in a box for you guys. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel. By the way, to subscribe to my channel, all you have to do is click the button below or click right here. I'm gonna insert a button right here. And click on that and hit subscribe. And the other thing that you must do is comment down below saying where you are watching this video from, what country. For example, I'm so thankful that I got my hands on the bundle and the giveaway for you guys. And I can't wait to see who wins. I'm so excited. So enter, go ahead and enter, subscribe, comment down below. And yeah guys, I was so excited to do this video because these things are limited edition. Therefore, she's never gonna sell them again, I believe. And by the way guys, it was only restocked throughout her birthday and stuff. Her stuff sell out so quickly, and I'm so glad that I did have a chance to go ahead and get that for you guys. Anyways, for today's message of the day, I wanted to just say to always be positive. Positivity wherever you go. If you bring positivity and you stay away from negativity, if you always stay positive, you will always succeed in life. And I truly believe that, because sometimes we do have our days where, oh my goodness, but no matter what you're going through, try your best to stay positive, because just positivity will bring you far in life, as well as patience. And just work hard for what you want and believe in yourself, and don't let no one bring you down. Don't let no one tell you you can't do something, because you can. Just always stay positive. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you entered the giveaway down below. I love you guys so much. And yeah, I hope you guys subscribe and give me a like. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.